Assalamualaikum and hello guys. Today we're gonna playing with the kinetic sand. Ooh, I love kinetic sand. Me too. I love kinetic sand. This is like a normal sand. I want to make a circle. We're gonna play with it. Okay. Sorry about that. I just have one hand. I want to play with dolphin. Let me just. Dolphin. Oh, see, dolphin. I love dolphin. I love dolphin. But why? I don't play dolphin. That's some. Wait. What? A fish? I don't play with fish. I'm making a seahorse. Don't you see? If you know, if you want more of my videos, keep liking. And if you want to know, who are we? Just wait and subscribe.